Here's a surgical EQ workflow that Grammy Award-winning engineer Teezio has used throughout his work with artists like Chris Brown, H.E.R, Gunna, Jack Harlow, and Joey Bada, to name a few. The typical way of using an EQ involves either boosting or cutting frequency bands, resulting in an EQ curve that looks something like this. But here's what Teezio's EQ curves look like. Teezio isn't dialing in these bands like you might expect. Let me explain. For this technique, you'll need the Spectrum Grab feature in Pro Q3, which is truly a hidden gem. Turn on the Post EQ Analyzer, hover your mouse over the spectrum, and you'll see a purple frequency graph that matches the signal being sent to Pro Q3. This is Spectrum Grab mode. It gives you a better visual understanding of the signal, allowing you to identify peaks and reduce them by simply grabbing and adding a band. However, as soon as you make a single adjustment, Spectrum Grab mode deactivates, requiring you to repeat this process for each change. To avoid this, instead of just hovering your mouse over the spectrum, click and hold. The spectrum will turn blue, indicating that you've activated permanent Spectrum Grab mode. Now you can make multiple adjustments without leaving this mode. Use your ears to fine-tune the adjustments, but you'll often find that the problematic areas are hidden within these peaks. Teezio also uses the frequency sweep method, but thanks to his experience, he's able to locate problematic areas without needing to sweep the entire spectrum. These cuts aren't just about taming peaks, they're about removing mud, boxiness, and other undesirable resonances. By removing these frequencies, you enhance the perception of those that remain. Teezio follows up the surgical EQ with Neutron, which he refers to as his shaping EQ. This EQ is used for broader adjustments, shaping the overall tone of the signal to fit into the desired place in the mix. Here's an example of how both types of EQ look in one of Teezio's mixes. These clips are taken from the lead vocal bus in Victoria Monet's On My Mama Mix Breakdown. Coincidentally, this song is from the album that earned Teezio a Grammy for Best Engineered Album. For another mixing trick from a professional mixer, check out this video on how 16-time Grammy Award winner Jaycen creates huge 808s. Thank you for watching.